Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. I want you guys to please check out this beautiful short natural haircut that suits any taste. One thing about the style is that haircuts have really come that long way, like from the classic short styles to more sophisticated tools, just to fit any hair type and texture. And older women these days are really embracing the wide range of elegant options for their looks. These hairstyles today are elegant short natural haircut that really celebrates those inner charm and individuality. This haircut will find you will find things like the trending and the timeless looks that defy age stereotypes and empower you to really embrace your natural beauty at any stage of life. So whether you really want that major transformation or you really crave to jazz up your iconic look, you will find plenty of ideas that really cater to your unique style. Please, I would like you to please check out this beautiful short natural haircut inspiration on how you can look good with a short natural haircut. You can see how this hairstyle really looks beautiful and it's perfect for black women that are looking for low maintenance style because it will cut down on the frequent need for touch-ups. Another thing is that this styles are latest haircut, and have at the back of your mind that age is just a number and your hairstyle is just a statement. So from structural bulbs to this free beautiful styles to say, the haircut will keep your look fresh and fabulous. Let me just let you guys to please cover the rest of the styles we have. Don't forget to subscribe your first time here and join the styles and let us know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.